Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Ages and ages ago I bought this container and it's called a tulip vase and I've done several arrangements into it. And Jenny from BC reached out having seen the two arrangements that I had done, and she said to me, "Oh my goodness, Astar, those tulip vases look like little Christmas trees. For somebody living in a small space wanting something small, how could you Christmassy it up?" Well, I got to thinking, and Jenny, I love your idea because it is like a tree, and sometimes you don't want too much, and this is just perfect. Let me share how easy this is to do. And I'm not going to bore you going through the whole thing. I'll just share what I did. Okay, so you can buy these Christmas picks, lots and lots and lots of styles. This was just one that I had lying around. And I also had some little, I had a wreath, and it had the berries, and it had don't know what that green's supposed to be, but I quite liked it. And it had I found some berries, and I found this was on the wreath as well. So I cut all of those, pulled those all off, but I didn't cut them because I might want to put them back onto the wreath. So all I've done is get your berries, get your other little bit of foliage there, your other little foliage there, and because the base of mine is white, and because it needed to bring the white back into the arrangement, I've just got a little bit of wildflower there, just using a bit of wire around and down to hold everything together, and then it's just a matter of putting that into the little holes. And there's Christmas. And what would be really, really, really beautiful with it is a beautiful bowl here with some red berries or some baubles, some candles on either side or clustered at one side. I think that that's a really lovely design that would work in any environment. In fact, I'm thinking 2 or 3 of these running down a table. Very, very nice themed for Christmas. I hope you've enjoyed this. And I just want to say, Jenny from BC, thank you. And if you see my son, he plays ice hockey, say hello and tell him to ring his mother. Merry Christmas, everyone, and I'll see you again soon.